Put your leg.
Gloria, stop. I don't like what you're doing. I have told you I can do this myself.
Ella, your papa they pay me to do this thing I'm doing. Eh? So where me?
Auntie Gloria, I am an adult and I can prepare myself to school.
Adult? You think your father don't know? No, if you say your papa don't know, so you be adult. Ella, I beg, allow me do my job. Put your leg.
Okay, Auntie Gloria, by the end of the month, my father will pay your salary. Don't be afraid of anything.
I'm not afraid. Just let me do my job now.
Auntie Gloria, I will not allow you to do this.
To wear uniform? Ella, why are you doing this to me now? Eh? Why? Please, I don't want to lose my job. I beg you, just come and be wearing.
You will not lose your job. Just go and do other things, please.
That is like what?
I can wear my uniform. I'll do it myself. Just go. I'll do it myself.
Breakfast is ready.
Thank you, I'm not hungry.
Ella, can I ask you a question? Is it that you don't like me, or what?
Auntie Gloria, I like you. The first time I set my eyes on you, my spirit accepted you. Remember?
So, if you like me as you said, why do you want me to lose my job?
You're not going to lose your job.
I will lose my job. If I'm not doing what I'm employed to do, I will definitely lose my job. Tell me, what am I doing here?
Auntie Gloria, you have a lot of jobs to do here. And that's exactly why my dad employed you.
No, that's not true. Your dad employed me especially for you, to take care of you, to do everything for you. Then if I'm not doing that, then that means you want me to go.
I didn't say you should go, because I'm not the one that employed you. I'll see you later.
Let me carry, at least let me carry the bag.
Thank you.
No, let me just carry the bag.
Auntie Gloria,
Let me just carry the, I have to do my job, please.
Auntie Gloria, stop! I don't like what you're doing. Leave me. What? Stop, excuse me.
Ella, let me carry the bag, Ella, let me just carry the bag, please.
Enter the car now.
Uncle Philip, don't worry. I can trek to school.
Peter, lock the gate. Come.
Allow him take you to school.
Uncle Peter, please open this gate.
Mba.
I am going late already.
Just go. Enter this car. Make Philip carry you go school. Why do you want to trek? Go. That is pet. Just
Understand.
enter the motor. Oh.
Do you have any reason to go to school alone?
I don't have any reason.
Then get into the car.
Ella, why can't you just open your mouth and say it out?
Say what out?
Say that our services are no longer needed here.
You dey shout for Oga. Calm down.
I don't need your service. Can I go now?
Wow. You cannot go now. Oh. Just enter this car. Enter this car now. This car, now your father buy it for you. Nah.
Okay. Let me ask you one question. Like this voice is okay, but
Small.
do you have any reason to go to school alone?
Uncle Philip, I don't have any reason. I just want to trek to school. Yeah. Don't worry, Uncle Philip. By the end of the month, your salary awaits you. Can I go now, please?
To school.
Yes.
Ella, please wait. Ella, wait, please now. Why are you doing this? Ella, stop now.
Why are you bugging me?
I'm not bugging you. I'm only doing my job.
Auntie Gloria, please stop following me. If I fail to go to school today, you will lose your job.
I already lost my job. Ella!
What's going on?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
What happened?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm not fine, sir.
What's wrong?
It's Ella. This morning, I went to her room to dress her for school, but she refused. She said she's an adult, she can take care of herself. And then I gave her breakfast. She also refused. She said she's not hungry. Then she came out and refused Philip taking her to school, that she wants to trek.
My daughter. She says she wants to trek. So where is she now?
She's trekking.
My daughter is trekking.
Yes, sir.
And three of you didn't stop her. Three of you.
No, I told her to come and call you.
My friend, will you shut up? Did you stop her or not? Is she in this compound now?
No, sir.
Pray nothing happens to my daughter. Can you hear me? Pray nothing happens to my daughter, else I will bury three of you alive in this compound.
I said that Oga will not believe us. We tell him. I told you before, you will not listen to me.
I told you
What are we going to do now?
Lock the gate.
You are supposed to hold the gate.
Open the gate. wrong? Huh? When did you start trekking? Since when? Do you know whose daughter you are? Get into the car, let me take you to school.
Daddy, I want to trek. I'm comfortable trekking.
Ella, if there's a problem, tell me. Get into the car.
Daddy, I'm comfortable. Daddy, leave me alone. I'm not getting in.
Get in. Alright, you're here. You're in your school. Time to go to school.
I'm not coming down.
What do you mean you're not coming down? Why?
Take me back to where you picked me from.
What's wrong with you now? What's the problem? Why are you acting strange this morning? Go to school. Why are you acting strange this morning? Go to school.
Nothing is wrong with me, Daddy. Take me back to where you picked me from.
Ella, do you want me to force you?
You can force me if you want to. Because I'm not coming down here.
I don't like this, Ella. Get down. If I say it again, you will not like what will happen. You cannot disrespect your father. I pay so much money for you to go to school. Go to school.
Daddy, take me back to where you picked me from.
Mr. Koisi. Mr. Koisi. Mr. Koisi, what's
I
going
don't know what is wrong with my daughter.
Ella.
She doesn't want to go. Hey, get down.
Ella,
Get down and go to school.
what is going on here?
I said get down and go to school. my friend. Get down.
Please,
Hey, get down. Get down and go to school. I said get down and go to school. I pay a lot of... my friend, get down. Get down, my friend. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Come on. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Are you crazy? I pay a lot of money for you to go to school. I'm your father. Go to school, my friend.
Mr. Koisi, Ella.
Take your bag and go to school. Yeah, I said go to school. Go to school. What is wrong with you? How can you disrespect your father? I pay so much money for you to go to school. Go there, sit down and learn. And say thank you, father. Say it. Say thank you, daddy. Say
I'm not
it.
saying anything, Daddy. Leave me alone.
Excuse me.
I'm not just your dad.
Peter. Philip. Gloria.
Welcome, sir.
What's your job in this house?
My job is to take care of Ella and do the housework, then cook.
And you?
To take Ella to school and other activities.
And you?
Sir? My job is to open and close the gate and then to safeguard the people, life and properties of this compound, especially your daughter, Ella.
3 of you failed in your duties. It means dismissal.
Yeah.
From now till tomorrow morning, pack your things and get out of my compound.
Sir? Sir? Sir, please give us another chance. Sir? Sir? Sir, please, we are sorry. Sir? Sir? Sir, please. Why did this girl suddenly change? Someone that was happy when I came. Someone who told me that she likes me suddenly turned against me. Suddenly changed her mind towards me. If she refuses my services in this house, I'll be of no importance. Ella, if I'm sacked because of you, I will not forgive you.
Daddy, good afternoon.
You're back.
Daddy, why did you sack people you employed to work for you?
They failed in their duties.
Do not sack them, else you will look for me and will not find me.
Ella, come back here. You don't walk out on me. Come back here! Ella! Ha. This is getting serious. What could be her problem? What could be the reason for her unhappiness? People you refuse their services are still the same people you're fighting for. I must find out what is behind this. I will find out.
Ella, why you dey cry? Who beat you?
I thought my daddy sacked you people.
That is why I came to tell you that tomorrow morning I go waka. And to also tell you that your food is ready.
Don't be afraid. My daddy will not sack you guys. Tomorrow morning, he will ask you people to continue your job. And as for the lunch, I will prepare mine when I'm hungry.
Must I wear this cap all the time? I go wear am. You see, make I tell you, Philip, if you wear this cap and survive one day, come a bastard.
If Oga comes back now, see, anyway.
If Oga-
But it no be tomorrow morning, all of us will come on. Tomorrow morning now.
You cannot sack off. Spell that threat. I know this man. He just says he's angry.
Peter, Philip. Which of you told Oga's daughter that Oga sacked us?
That one.
Well, I have not set my eyes on her. And I don't even know she's back from school.
Peter, you uncle.
I see, I didn't tell her anything, I just, when I opened gate for her, she greeted me and then walked away. We didn't even talk about Oga or sack.
I went to her room to tell her that her lunch is ready.
Okay.
Do you know what she asked me? She said, I thought my father sacked you guys.
Obanje.
And then I told her that, yes, that is why I came to tell her that early in the morning, I'm leaving. And then she said, I shouldn't go. That by tomorrow morning, our father will tell us that our contract is not terminated.
Obanje has spoken. Obanje.
Did she say that to you?
Yes, she did.
I know that Oga cannot sack us. It's not possible. Look at Obanje has known that he cannot sack us. Obanje.
Yeah. So what about the lunch? Did she eat it?
For where? She did not, oh. She said she's not hungry. That once she's hungry, she will go to the kitchen and prepare for herself.
That is when you will die. Oga will kill you for allowing his precious daughter to go into the kitchen and cook. Ah, you are dead. Don't try it though.
I know. That is why I'm monitoring her. Once she enter that kitchen, I'll just go and tell Oga.
Abi?
Yes, now.
No, just wait. Oh. Do you people not believe me that that girl is an Obanje? No, because if had she managed to know that Oga sacked us? If none of us told her, who did? Yeah? No, yes, now.
Maybe Oga.
Because I did not tell her anything.
Maybe Oga.
Oga?
Yes. You did not, I did not, Gloria did not. It's Oga now.
Well, I agree with you there. It could be.
No, I'm beginning to suspect that girl. As in, I don't understand her.
Abi, that Obanje is an Obanje.
Let it be that what she told you. I'm just because I can't imagine myself going out of this gate. Oh. Let it be that what she told you is true.
Oga cannot sack us. Forget that. It's just that he was angry, but sacking us. Obanje has said it now. Was not what she told you that tomorrow we'll see that we'll not go.
You will just wait till tomorrow morning and then you know. They sack you, carry your diamonds go and you leave the way you came.
Okay. See, you have a good deal. That it might be Oga that told her. Yes. Somewhere now, from where you go. And she just came back.
Wait, I need one more.
Sir, it's Ella. She's cooking in the kitchen. I asked her to stop, but she refused.
Cooking.
Yes, sir.
Since when?
I don't know, sir.
Call her for me.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes, Daddy.
What are you doing?
I am preparing noodles.
Since when? What's her job?
But Daddy, I can't do it.
I asked you a question. What's her job in this house? Her job is to cook. Her job is to prepare the meals for me and for you. You have no business in the kitchen. So go back to your room. When she's done cooking, she'll bring your food for you.
But Daddy, I'm cooking.
I'm done with this discussion.
Thank you, sir. Your food is ready.
I have lost my appetite.
Ella, what do you want?
Auntie Gloria, as you can see, I am reading my book. So if you don't mind, give me a break.
Is it because I prepared the food? Ella, your food is ready now. Just come and eat. What is wrong with this girl? Wait. Ella!
What's the problem? You can always tell me. What is bothering you, Ella? What's wrong?
I need a break.
You us. Ella, speak to me. I'm your father. What is bothering you? What is the problem? Tell me, I'll take care of it.
Daddy, I am fine.
You are not fine. Stop telling me you're fine. I know you're not fine. What's wrong?
You are bugging me, Daddy.
I'm bugging you. How can you say such a thing to me? I'm your father. I can't be bugging you. Ella, tell me what the problem is. Okay? I am your daddy. I love you very much. You're my only child. You know that. Anything bothering you, tell me. If it's a problem in school, I'll fix it. If it's anybody in your school, let me know. I'll take care of the person right now. What's wrong? Ella. Ella. Yes, Faith, you're welcome once again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for coming. All right, straight to the point. I need you to study my daughter while she's in school. Find out what makes her smile. Find out what makes her happy. Can you do that?
Like what I told you on the phone. She's always absent-minded in the class. At times, she sheds tears, even when nobody hurts her.
Just like that.
Yes. But one day, I saw her playing with my daughter. Yeah. My daughter has a little teddy.
Okay.
She was so much attached with the teddy bear. To the extent she refused giving it back to my daughter. And they started dragging the teddy bear.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Oh, you mean like a teddy bear?
Yes.
Oh, I see. All right, noted. One more thing. Will it be possible to bring your daughter to my house so she can spend some time with my daughter while I try to figure out what the problem is? Can you do that for me?
Consider it done, sir. Since it's what will make her happy.
Thank you. Thank you.
But have you tried to find out what is bothering her? Or what stole her happiness away?
My dear, I've tried. I mean, Ella is my only child. I provide virtually everything she wants, everything she needs. Even the things she doesn't need, I provide them. And I always tell her, anything you want, mention it, and I'll give it to you. I tell her all the time, but I don't know what the problem is. I don't know, and she never used to be like this. She just woke up one morning and changed. But I'll get to the root of it, definitely.
Okay, sir.
Thank you once again for coming.
Thank you, sir.
I mean, I should offer you something. Forgive me, I just went straight to the point. What would you like to take? Food, drinks?
Nothing, sir.
You take alcohol?
Oh, no.
Are you sure?
No, sir.
Feel free. You're actually in the home of Okosi Sinada.
I know.
Anything
Thank you,
want,
sir. Thank you.
Feel free. You can drink here. Nobody will know you drank.
Philip, come. That's why it's very big. Yeah, come. That teddy well got buy for Ella. Did she accept it?
Oga buy Teddy for Ella.
Yes, now.
Just now.
Oga just he came down with a very big teddy that is as big as you are. What is hard? Did you not see it?
Which kind of insult be that? You can't say the teddy big as
But it's
Gloria.
big now. It's very big, very big. I said, oh, these are the ones that I so much cherish. And they like, yeah. I said, see, I wanted to think to go inside, but I saw it. I started singing, Ezi Chineke, He mere mu no de mama. Megwere me nye mmadu ibe mporoga de no ye.
Make I go tell Oga.
Well, come on. No.
You they sing the song, and now you get the teddy. Why they sing the song?
For you forgot to know that I love Teddy also.
Well, come on. Oga don't capture this girl mind.
I dey tell you, I'm telling you.
No little baby we no like teddy.
That is
Not true. Even me like this, I like Teddy. If they just dash me Teddy like this, I go just accept him and go grab him.
You like teddy? You won't carry and go cook?
No. No. Joke apart, me I dey like Teddy.
Oga na me be driver. Na kitchen she dey, you na gate you dey. Na me be driver.
Wait.
So now driver supposed to do it.
Go.
You go just open mouth, they talk
See,
anyhow.
see.
Now driver supposed to carry Teddy
I
now.
know.
Na me be driver.
Wait, as baby as me.
After Oga na me.
Oga, na dey package.
No, leave him. Make I go tell. Oga.
Wait, see.
Go take, make I give you transport.
Me. See, I know.
After Oga na me.
I know. Say if Ella fail to accept that Teddy and still continue to be unhappy, then it means that her own of one day is square 4 square feet.
No, they speak what you know now. Wait till we square. Make we go check whether I don't accept them.
Abi?
Now.
Go check. Go.
Abi? What does it hit you? Whoa.
Now driver they call it done. Are you mad?
Go. You leave the door open. Go close them. Go close
You be gate
Now
man.
the gate man, go close it.
The one who really get
Gate and door now the same thing. Go closer.
Go.
Go. They go now.
Go. Go. What is your problem? What do you mean what's your problem?
Don't talk to driver like that.
Driver Ella. Idiot. Go to kitchen. Go to kitchen.
Make the
Go
concept.
kitchen, my friend. No be kitchen.
Go to kitchen. In fact, let me get this compound. My job now to open and close.
Close the gate, go and close that gate.
Which gate? Who are you? Why are you commanding me? Can't get out, you idiot. Your name is Philip. Your name
You don't want to walk again?
What is your native name? What is your native name?
Anything where Ella talk, now waiting Oga they do. And now me be Ella driver. If you don't know.
Go and sit down. If they calculate your native name, your name is Mbempelo. Mbempelo, idiot. They call you Philip in Ekwu. Mbempelo.
brought the teddy back to my room. Why?
Because I don't need it.
You like teddies, don't you?
I do, but not that one.
Alright, fine. Should I give you money so you can get the one you want, or you want me to take you there and you make your choice?
Daddy, I am fine.
What is wrong with you? Huh? What is wrong with you? Can you just stop this? Okay? Stop it. I'm getting fed up. I don't know what will happen if I have it up to here. Enough. Enough.
Whatever your mind tells you to do, you do it.
Ella. Ella, come back here. Come back here! Should I force her in certain things? Should I beat her? No. I cannot do anything that will hurt her the more. She's the only one I have. But what could be that thing that is hurting her? I mean, she has everything she desires. Everything she has ever asked for. She asked me for a car. I bought her a car. Now she refuses to enter the car. She asked for a nanny. I had a nanny. Now she refuses to eat or associate with the nanny. What is wrong with my daughter? What is wrong with my precious Joel? I cannot fold my arms and watch my only daughter hate me with passion like this without any reason. I must do something to find out the cause. Could it be that someone is behind this attitude of hers? Because people know where my happiness lies. Who could that be? No. I don't believe it. Nobody's in the picture. No.
What's your problem? Why do you? Are you rat?
What nonsense is that? The amount I take down.
But why are you doing it? Don't you see where all of us did? When they talk about how organ they in Peking take come out, they hear they do.
You know what they think? You know what you when they hear that they do, guy, you do a matter like in chi. Rubbish.
Stop that and answer that question I ask you. Where organ in Peking tell you say that they go? They don't. When they tell you say that they go, no be you be gate man where they open gate they close.
Let me get the question.
Now.
Good, fine. Oga tell me say they go visit your grandparents.
My grandparents.
Yes.
What do you concern my grandparents?
And the answer when they what see now, what we hear now.
Okay, shut up.
Oga.
What's the problem? Take it. Take your time. Why they cost my grandparents?
No, the question, the answer why they fight from me. No, if not, why go they ask me that kind of question? They ask me rubbish. Like say, I'm your Oga Pikin. Or say, Oga they owe me, or say they owe any of you.
No. Oga, they tell me sometimes where they go. They talk.
Whoa.
Eh, nah.
Thank God. You say it? Idiot, capital idiot, that is what you are. Idiot no be the one we're going to... Idiot will be capital, you know? Capital.
1-0.
You know they look yourself. You know they look yourself tomorrow. You know what you be? You be capital Nchi. I'm telling you. All those Nchi where they like this. Now you be idiot.
2-1.
Capital Nchi.
What did they worry you? 2-1, 1-1.
At the school now for the quarrel now. They know they give an award again. But wait, so Muku talk true. No surprise. Like it's no shock now. The way Oga and Ella take commands.
Now the thing. You are there like this idiot.
Now the thing. Is it not the reason why I ask this idiot? That the reason why make me ask this idiot. Say where did they go? Because we don't hear anything. We know here, my Pikin, I'm sorry. Like say Oga they apologize. We didn't hear it. We just see them. They walk out. Wait. Like enter motor come out. I can't ask this idiot.
Oh, that because God no bumper. Idiot.
4-1.
When I talk, I'm say that girl no bungee. Wanna believe me?
Not true. Let me the better thing we don't talk for your life. That girl na really Ogbanje. Because the way you follow Oga, you're supposed to say you know one go. No be just I don't want to eat. Don't prepare me. Don't wear me uniform. If you say no one follow Oga come out.
You see that girl? If not because say that girl no Oga Pikin. If no say no Oga Pikin, the guys la one no give up just like this. Why? What do you mean that?
Show on the way you go take slap Oga too now.
Okay, fine.
Hey!
To say,
Now maybe can I go?
Show am. Let me show you. Show am. If not be saying if your guy.
if that girl no be Oga Pikin.
What do you want to? Hey! What?
This is another for you.
Why did you leave the clothes in the car?
They are not mine.
If they're not yours, who owns them?
I told you from the boutique, but you wouldn't listen.
Can we talk as father and daughter?
I am listening.
I need you to be sincere with me. All right? I need you to be honest. Have I ever failed you as a father?
No, you have not. Excuse me.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I want to tell you something. It's about your daughter, Ella.
Go on.
Sir, I think we should look for solution to our problem traditionally.
What do you mean?
I feel whatever that is happening to her is spiritual. Yes, something like Ogbanje spirit. It happened to my sister, my younger sister. That was how she hated everybody. She was just destroying things unnecessarily. Just the way Ella is behaving right now. Until we tackled it traditionally. Till date, she's normal. So I'm suggesting we tackles Ella's problem traditionally too.
Who did it?
One man called Ubalaja in Obodu Kingdom.
Do you know the place?
Yes, sir. I can take you there. You're welcome, sir. All right, sir.
Why they say wetin? You don't know wetin I want ask you.
What I go know what you want ask me. I dey your mind.
You want to bro?
What you
You no get brain.
See, they come like Onyushi.
No, don't insult the driver. Oh.
Which cannot
Don't
driver.
try it.
Driver Ella. You know the shame. Obonje, driver Obonje, driver Obonje.
Listen to me. Where Oga and Gloria tell you say where they go?
You don't start to. They don't tell me.
They don't tell you.
They don't tell me now.
Make you no be say wetin I dey think na real o.
What do you think?
You sure say Oga and Gloria no dey go outside go?
Oga, I don't hear this. I don't hear that. You see this nonsense what you talking? I don't hear them. You know, I didn't hear it. I beg because
You talk nonsense.
I don't hear them. I beg. I don't hear them. How you go open this nonsense what you call gota? Where the mouth they talk say Oga and Gloria they do. I beg. See, if I come out this cloth now, raise my hand up. No hair for this armpit. You just dey lata. I beg. I don't hear you.
No dey insult the driver o. I dey tell you.
Come on, go.
Why they say come on? Now me.
See, the question you get to Philip respect. Go get out here. The driver.
Who they say get out? Me.
That driver be your
Driver.
Don't worry. Very soon now, this money why they try to complete. Once that money complete, wow, I go come out here, go be the house, and I go employ you as my driver.
Employ me. Before you go make the money, I don't build this car.
Okay, you go become driver till they do you pass.
God punish you.
Go polish. Go get out. Actually, as a back foot. Yes, go. We. What did it? Yeah, okay, go. Hey, you don't stand up. This pet. Ella, welcome. Ella, please. Ella, please. Please, just allow me to talk to you briefly. Oh? Ella, why do you like to suffer?
Why do I like to suffer?
Yes.
Uncle Peter, am I suffering?
You are suffering. You are suffering. How can you ask me if you are suffering? You are suffering. How can you come back from school? This scorching sun, look at it, look at it. I'm sweating. Yeah? You came back from school under this scorching sun when you have a car. A wonderful car that was given to you purposely for your school and other activities. See. If somebody buys this kind of car for me, I will quit. Car! I will kill myself with joy. How can this wonderful car be given to you? And all of a sudden you woke up one day and say, you don't want it again.
Uncle Peter,
Eh?
is there any other thing you want to ask me?
Wait, does it mean that this one that I asked does not have meaning? Yes. Question time is over. I am hungry. Please, if you go into that kitchen, help me with food. Because Gloria is not around. Oh?
I want to cook noodles. Will you eat?
You say? You want to cook what? Yes. I will eat. This girl is on a 1J. I've just confirmed it. She's on a 1J. And this one guy, I've accepted to eat the nonsense that she wants to do. For me to become an abundant, God forbid I reject it. I can never be an abundant. Ella, 1J.
Gloria. Have your awesome. Why are you so wicked? Yeah?
What's in I do?
What do you do? You left here with Oga, and you actually know that there was no food in this house. Yeah?
Philip, no verse. Honestly, now when I don't come out, now I remember, say, food no day. Eh? And you know, say, Oga no would tell me, say, I dey come out with them. If not, I prepare something for you, because I know, say, you like food well. So, no verse.
Try this in next time. Oh.
I don't hear. No verse.
Where will I go, Seth?
Ameba. Tatafo. It concern you. Why you want to know where we go?
Okay. That means what I think. No, they wrong.
What do you think?
What I think? Amebo. Obasagi.
Che, you can't chop. You can't chop now.
Hey, thank you so much. Slow. Too fuck.
Call Uncle Philip to join you.
No, please no.
Eh? Who told you sir, I'm not hungry? Go punish your head. Who told you that I'm not hungry?
I just say they sleep.
You think they sleep? God bless you, eh? Chineke gozegi.
God bless you for what? For what? What do you mean God bless you? Philip. What nonsense is that?
No, tell you, man.
Come now. You didn't move well. I gave it
That's we call so.
I don't know. Ekwu. You were here when I. Can I first?
Any spirit of Obanje.
Close your eyes.
Any spirit of Obanje. Close your eyes now.
You.
Remove your hand.
Let us not pray again because I'm not.
Remove your hand from my face now.
Nah,
Remove your hand from my face now. What did they worry you?
nah. You get right now. Just wait.
Well, I think this guy hate us. Why you come give us Indomie?
I don't know. I think she's this one too. But sometimes, if she come back from school, she made a great me. I tell you. But, nah. I don't know if you want that girl. I own a one job back to well.
But if Ogbanje did this Indomie, you go be Ogbanje, me I not go be Ogbanje.
Nah. Nah, Philip, nah. See, make a plan for this now. See, make a chop the Indomie first. After chopping the bush egg.
I know if you chop Indomie with that egg.
Nah.
I am the driver, you are gate man.
Get man, not be open the gate where they drive.
No only opening gate you don't open.
If I the driver who? No, I can't drive me.
Ella, it's me, your daddy. I just want to check on you. It's obvious she's not an Ogbanje. No, she's not. Obala just said that by 12 a.m. she's likely to leave for their meeting if she's an Ogbanje. It's well past 12 a.m. and she's still here. For her to still be awake by now means otherwise. Oh, hello. How are you?
Fine, Daddy. Good afternoon.
Good. Well, you're eating. Who made the food?
I made it.
You made the food? For real? My daughter is a big girl now. Let me wash my hands and taste your food. Yep, I know you can't wait for your daddy to taste your food. Oh, aha.
Daddy, I made it only for myself.
I know. That's why I'm your father. I believe you all know how much my daughter means to me. I don't joke with her. She means the world to me. I can give anything for her. I can sacrifice anything for her. I can even give my life just to make her happy. For that, I have an offer for 3 of you. Anyone who can make my daughter smile, I'll give that person 5 million naira. 5 million naira, cash. But while doing that, make sure you don't hurt her. If you as much as hurt a strand of hair on her body, I will bury you alive in this compound. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Make her smile, and I'll give you 5 million naira.
Consider it done, sir. Hi. You never been in my life. If I succeed.
Wait up. What you dey tell? You know say as Oga don comot now, na me be the next person, na me be driver. What's your problem?
I think I want talk better thing.
Wait o, na driver like you dey say chukwu kwogo.
Driver not be driver oga. Talk, turn the fire with the idiot. Every time I be driver.
Why will not to be like this?
No, I tell this idiot.
How will we take a 5 million naira? We'll make that get smile. Now they laugh.
Now this is what I want to talk about. He said, if your guy, thunder. Oh, you can Philip get what? Gemmel. I forgive you, Gemmel, bro, Philip. Got that up.
Ella, I was told that before we were employed, you used to be very happy, very jovial person.
Who told you that?
Does it matter who told me?
Yes, it matters. It will give me room to place my defense.
You already know who told me.
Peter did, right?
Yes. Peter said that you used to laugh and play with him. But immediately we were employed, everything changed. Your attitude, everything. So I want to know, what is the problem? Is it that you don't want myself and Philip? Do you want us to leave this house?
If I don't like you people, my daddy would have sacked you.
Then if you like us like you claim, why this sudden change? Why this attitude? Why are you like this towards everybody? Ella, I am a woman like you. You can confide in me. And I promise you, whatever you tell me stays with me. My darling, what is the problem? Why the sudden change?
We're done with this conversation.
As in, make I go.
Now.
So, all the thing when I did.
Peter. Na because I dey laugh with all these people.
Ella.
Good day, Uncle Philip.
Yeah, how are you? Can I sit?
Yeah.
Hey. I bought this for you.
What is that?
Shawarma.
Oh. Uncle Philip, how do you know I love shawarma?
I do now. You were not born like this. And I learned from your daddy that you were once a happy girl. You understand? And probably something happened that took your happiness away. So I said, make I buy them for you.
Uncle Philip, you just made me lose my appetite. I'm sorry, I can't eat this. Yes.
Ella. 5 million.
Ella, Ella, pretty, Ella, daddy's pet. let's see. Before we share this, keep it. I kept it there. Before we share this word, let us cheers. Hey. Okay, you are drinking again. I have to drink again too.
Okay, it's okay, let's play.
I will finish you today.
Me?
Just tell me how many nuts you want to have from me.
No, me, I will win you.
You win me.
Let's start
You
first
win
now,
me.
you will see.
Can we bet it?
Even if I drink, you drink.
Yes, now. Okay, drinking a lot.
Oh yeah, stop, it's okay, let's play. It's okay.
Babe. Oh! Ella, you are the best.
You too.
No wonder your daddy have only you. Because you are the best. And you and your daddy, you just look alike. No, but what is this? Why are you turning it upside like that?
I did not touch anything. Oh! Yes.
Come.
4. It's okay now.
Wow. Hold on. No. This one is not a matter of Ella. Hold on. Yeah, hold on again. Continue. Did you just drink? Oh, okay.
Pick 2. Pick 2. Oh, stop now.
Just,
Uncle
must I
Peter.
pick 2 or with all this in the me?
Pick 2.
You are very good.
1, 2. Continue. I told you I will win you.
Forget it. General market also so idiot. Come on, move it. Tim. Go to market. Go. Tim, last card. I just told you how many nuts you want to get from me. Last card. Why?
You didn't lie, you cheat.
Ella. Ella. Hi. That is pet. Pretty Ella. Ella's baby. Let's just toast now. You know what to toast? Yeah, I will toast. Oh, hi. See, I remember those days that we used to play football here. Hi! Oh, these memories. Hi! I wonder what to your joy. I wonder what to the passion, the happiness. Eh? See, those memories are the reason I called you out here to ask you, why did you stop? No, why did we stop playing football here?
Uncle Peter,
Yes, dear.
those days are gone.
I don't understand. What do you mean those days are gone? Eh? What happened? What brought about those days are gone? How? Okay, fine, those days are gone. I want us to bring it back. Because your daddy used to be happy seeing you doing those things.
What you said is true, but I am sorry. I can't go back to that life now.
Why? No, I want to know why. Just Ella, what stole your joy? Tell me, what stole your joy? What?
Excuse me, Uncle Peter. See you later.
Just like that? Ella, we're not talking now. Can you imagine? This girl walked out on me. The girl that I was singing for. Ella, don't fire you, idiot. You can come. I cannot wait this string. You walk. Then I walk Ella in Ekwu. One chain. Can you imagine? How can I call this girl out here and all of a sudden the Uncle Peter? She walked out. Your mate will walk out on you. Not even your mate. People will continue to walk out on you. You cannot fire me. I'm a beg. You can't move the No. Open up, Bago. No small nchi is walking out on me. After the old constitutional that he has promised to give me 5 million naira, this idiot want to read it. You want to read it 5 million? Do you know what 5 million will have done for me? Ella!
I've been through hell and I'm back. Ooh, no place to call my home. 'Cause the world is so toxic and my soul is so pure. Where will I go? Let God fight for me.
It's very beautiful. Oh, God, I'm so happy.
You like it?
I love it, Daddy. Thank you so much.
Yes, I told them to make plenty of your pictures. They made like 20, so I have your pictures all over the house.
It's very beautiful, Daddy. I'm so happy.
Thank you. Yes, and the throw pillows as well.
I love it. Wow.
But for the design, if there's anything you want to change, you want me to take out all the seats, just let me know. I'll take them out, bring new seats, okay? If you don't like the size, let me know. I'll take it out right now and bring something bigger.
Very big. I love this place. Thank you, Daddy.
No.
I'll show you upstairs. Anything you want to change there.
Hi. Hi. In this life, if I ever make money, once I make money, this is how it's going to be.
Right, good morning, mates.
Daddy, don't worry, I'll be back.
Okay, fine.
My enemies are strong, but I put my trust in thee. Oh, I will smile again. Why do people we love keeps breaking our hearts? Why do people we call families and now our nightmare fight for me? Oh, fight for me. Why do people?
Odumodu. Amuboku ude. Udene baja no na na-elele udene elu. Amuboku udene. Udene baja no na na-elele udene. Your daughter is not an Obanja. Her spirit is very angry. And if not appeased, she will continue to live in it till her death.
Why is that spirit angry?
Her spirit is angry with whoever that comes close to her, especially you, her father. And her spirit is a very jealous one. The spirit needs to be appeased. If not, she will lose her life.
How do we appease the spirit?
7 virgin heads with alligator pepper.
That's all. 7 virgin heads, and my daughter's spirit will be appeased. Consider it done. You will hear from me tomorrow. Of course I know what you're talking about. I'm not a child. I understand how this thing works. You said 5 million naira per head, right? Good. So you're getting me 7 heads. That's 35 million. Beautiful. After this call, I'm sending 15 million naira to you for 3 heads, right? So you're gonna get 7. I'll send 15 million as my advance payment. The moment you deliver, I'll give you your balance of 20 million naira. First of all, listen, hope you're not recording this call. If you record this call, I will find you. If I find you, I'll kill you myself and feed you to my dogs. Good. Once you deliver, you get your full payment.
What was the call for?
How long have you been standing here?
You were in a discussion with someone that we kill 7 virgins for you and bring their head to you so that you can use it to appease my spirit, so that I can be happy again. Happiness you took away from me. Are you surprised that I know you killed my mom?
You shut up! Shut up!
Don't you dare. Because I know everything. My mother appeared to me in my dream 2 consecutive times and told me that you killed her. Your daddy killed me. He used me for rituals. My daddy cannot kill you. He loved you so much.
Yes, I know he loved me so much. But he killed me. I can't lie to you. I am your mother.
Please stop. My daddy cannot do that. I'm sorry. You should not stay here. Heavenly Father, what my mom said to me in my dream is true. Father, Lord, please show it to me physical. Lord, please. To me the second time, I doubted her because I knew how much she loved her. I kept on praying until I got you.
My love, my dear wife, I'm sorry. From the depths of my heart, I'm sorry. I never meant to kill you. It was never my intention. It's not my fault. I didn't know. All I wanted was to liberate us from poverty. I I didn't know it would take your life. I didn't know. Please, forgive me, please. I mean, you worked so hard. You worked so hard. You did all you can to ensure that we lived the good life. I'm sorry. Please. Please forgive me. Wherever you are. Please. Please forgive me. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I killed you. Forgive me. Please. Please forgive me. Wherever you are, forgive me.
Until I heard it from your mouth. And that was the result of my prayers answered. Okosisi, you killed my mother. You killed a woman who sacrificed her life, who sacrificed everything, who lived with you irrespective of her condition. Ended up killed by the same man who professed undying and unconditional love for her. I never knew that the better life my mom prayed for because her own life.
You will not understand. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault.
Ella! Yes, mom. Get a kitchen knife. Okay. You fast, though?
Yes, bring it. It's even dirty. You didn't even bother to wash it.
Sorry, Mama.
You need to come and help me. My keke refused to start. Come and help me and push it.
Don't worry.
My dear, what kind of family is this?
My dear, it's the man you should be talking about, too. Very useless man.
What do you mean?
You're asking me what I mean?
Yes.
I don't know why handsome men are too lazy. Like, very, very lazy. They don't know how to make a woman cater for the family. And it's very bad, Odurama, just look at this fine man now. He cannot cater for the family. 1 naira and kids he cannot bring.
It's very bad.
It's bad now.
I don't understand them.
Me, you see me, I cannot hustle my money to feed any man. It's not possible. As a matter of fact, I will not marry a poor man. I swear. Face me, I face you. I will go and marry a poor man. Mama for nothing. What they go, ego. Why I need to go up and down.
God forbid.
Mommy Ella, now don't come back.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
How was market today now?
Very fine.
Ella, how far?
I'm fine.
How far?
Wake up. My husband.
Daddy, good afternoon.
Hello, how are you?
What happened? Did you go to work today?
My keke. Spoiled again.
So sorry about that. Drop this thing. Okay, Mama. My husband, have you eaten anything? I bought something. You manage it now. Eh? I know you will like it. It's very sweet. Take, yeah? Ella, take your own.
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Hope it's nice.
How was your day?
My day was fine. I thank God. Help me unmove this thing. Take this one.
Landlord. Good afternoon, sir.
Okosisi.
Landlord.
Okosisi.
Landlord.
Okosisi.
Landlord.
How many times did I call you?
You called me 3 times. I told you before, my keke is spoiled. Even if you call me 50 times, I don't have money to give to you. Give me some time. Let me find small money and fix my keke. And by the time I fix the keke, I'll now use it to work, make money and pay your rent.
Okosisi, when I was building this house, I did not beg for help for anybody. Please, pack and leave my house for men that are capable to pay for the rent. By this time tomorrow, I'll be here and you'll be forced from this house.
Oga landlord, excuse me. My love, how much are we owing him?
21,000 naira.
Just 21,000.
Just 21,000. I could not pay.
I was able to save some money. Take. Count it and give it to him. Count it and give it. My love, don't worry. Count it and give it to him. Don't worry, okay? Everything will be fine. Your money is my money, and my money is also your money. So keep it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Come with you. Your husband just had an accident.
Come! Chima! Ella! Where? Where? Chima, stop the people!
you trying to do? You're planning to transfuse blood to my daddy. When you know that you're not even healthy and strong. Instead, buy one now.
My dear, my husband will not have a strange blood running through his vein. Mbano now. Afterwards, I will donate mine for him. He's my husband. Okay? Give me this thing. And don't forget, make sure you squeeze this oguli very well and bring to me in the hospital for my husband to drink it. Be fast about it. Don't worry, I'll be fine.
These two people will not kill me.
Come on, hey! Did you see that you hit my keke? Didn't you see that you hit my keke? Eh? Are you blind? You just hit my keke now. You need a foot. You need a foot. Walker, don't fire you. Didn't you see that you hit my keke? Jerry, Jerry.
My man!
Can you know, is this you? It's me. But Jerry, now what for you? You know they see. You know they see. You know they see. I go do like this. I go get them now. What you say now? Now what for you?
Get you now. My man! Oh, God, to see.
You are doing well.
You are also doing well, my brother. So,
Yeah, well.
I'll get it. Yeah, is it your
It's mine, no.
get mine? You go to Kaiban. I'm going to Kaiban. What are you doing again? What is it?
My keke is bad, though. It has fault.
Oh, you can't be doing this now. So, where are you headed now?
To the mechanic.
To fix it or what?
Ha! Fix what? I don't have money to fix it now. I'll just park it there at the mechanic. At least it will be safe. When I get the money, I'll fix it.
You are embarrassing me. So how much will it cost to fix this keke?
Maybe about 20,000 naira.
20,000 now. This is 30,000 naira.
Right.
Yes, use it to fix this keke.
Right. Thank you.
You cannot be doing this. You are embarrassing me. Inagwa keke.
Thank you. Okay, no problem. Thank you, Thank you. Only if you get.
Sisi, you mean this is where you are living?
Brother, this is where I'm managing with my family. That's why I've been begging you to help me. Help me, please. Yeah, just small money. Let me start something. Maybe a business or anything. There's no business I cannot do. Believe me, I'm ready to work. Yeah. This thing is not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter.
Sisi, you know why I'm laughing?
Yes, I know why you're laughing. Looking at me and where I live, you believe I cannot do business. See, there's no business I cannot do. Even the type of business you are doing, I can do it. Yes.
Sisi, it seems you have grown a bitter heart now.
You won't understand. I've gone through a lot. You won't understand. Going through a lot. Things are so difficult for me. If not for my wife, I'm even ashamed to say it. If not for my wife, believe I may have died. I don't know how she always gets money from her small business. I'm going through a lot. See, even if it's drug business that you are doing, I can do it. Drug, I can do it.
You can do it.
Yes. Tell me how to deliver, when to deliver, who to deliver to. Then I'll deliver your money. Simple. Is that not this thing there?
Sisi, are you aware that in drugs business, everybody is your enemy, including that of your wife and daughter in the line of duty?
See, I didn't know this one. Now you've told me I've learnt it. Number one, teach me number two. I'm listening.
Sisi,
I can do it. If you have any drug with you, give me now. Let me go and supply. You see, you confess with your mouth. Just look at yourself. Look at me. You're a guy.
No, I know.
Hey.
Uncle Sisi,
Hey.
let me have my keke.
Hey. The keke has been having issues.
What is wrong with you? I didn't buy that keke for you to use it and feed your family and forget about me. Please let me have my key.
Oga Livia, I know. I've not forgotten about you. Just give me till next week. Next week, I'll pay you. Believe me. The keke has issues. I'll fix it. And by next week, your money will be complete.
Don't worry. Please, I don't want your trouble. I don't want your story. Please give me my key.
Mr. Man, didn't you hear what he said? He said next week he will give you the keke. What is the problem now?
Shut up. Nothing concerns you here. When he was signed the agreement, he wasn't there.
Go ahead, yeah. Biko. If you touch him now, you will complicate matters for me.
I need my key now.
Wait now. Oga Livia, see what I'm saying? Next week, I will deliver your money. If you take it from me, how will I feed my family?
Give that key to him. Let this man get out of this place.
I'm coming. Just wait.
Look at the kind of people you are doing business with. Look at. No, who is this one?
Yeah, you help me now. Help me now. I've been telling you to help me. You keep laughing at me. Help me so I'll stop doing business with this kind of people.
I know the good.
Do you have another white shirt?
Anytime we go first.
Jerry, please. Anything I can do, anything at all. Whether it's business or whatever it is. Just that thing you are doing to make money, help me. Let me do it. I will do it. I'm ready. Anything at all. Let me just be able to feed my family. I've been going through a lot. I'm suffering. Jerry Biko, I'm suffering. You know, it's not everything that a man will say, but I'm suffering.
No.
Please.
Sisi.
Anything.
Sisi.
Please. I am ready. I am ready. Anything at all. If I tell you what I've been through, Jerry, hey.
You are ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
man doesn't have a strong heart.
Me? Hey, okay, it's not true. It's not true. Jerry knows me. We've known each other for a very long time. I have strong hearts. So please, I need this thing. I need this help. I've been going through a lot. Jerry knows I'm going through a lot. So I'm going through a lot, sir. Even the keke that I used to do business is no longer functioning. People have been humiliating me, treating me anyhow. My family, they are starving. Please, sir, I have heart. Tell me what to do. I'll do it. I'm ready.
Are you prepared for this?
I am prepared, sir. Very prepared. I can do anything. Just tell me. I'm ready, sir. Pico, I'm ready.
You are ready to do anything to make money.
Hey, just don't chase me out, sir. Pico.
Go outside and bring some.
Sir, please. All right, sir. I have it, sir.
Put it inside that water. Sit down. You are indeed a strong man. Congratulations. Your riches begin henceforth. Can now go home.
Oh, yes. He made it go home. I should go.
Case close.
I thought people would give me some bags of money and carry and go.
Relax. Yeah? Because let's go.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Jerry, is this how you're home?
Yes, relax. Relax. Yeah? Yeah.
Hey! Ejiofor! Ejiofor! Come on. Let's take a Calm down. Let's take a
Okay, sir.
Let's go. Oh, yeah, help me.
Okay, sir. Carry her anywhere now. Carry her anywhere. Oh!
What really happened? Could it be that... Let it not be what I'm thinking. No. I refuse to believe what I have in my mind. This can't be true. Jerry cannot lure me into ritual money without giving me proper information. No, No, he can't, if at all it was what happened. God, please. God, let it not be what happened, please.
May the soul of your wife rest in peace.
Jerry, I never told you I lost my wife.
Welcome to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire's Club. Your world starts today. Okosisi, Ibagum.
I didn't know. I didn't know. My friend Jerry did tell me everything. I didn't know. I didn't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Please, forgive me. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I didn't know. I didn't know. I'm sorry.
For the fact you didn't know, I have forgiven you. But I can't stay in the same roof with you. Because you remind me of my past.
I've been through hell and I'm back. Ooh, no place to call my home. 'Cause the world is so toxic and my soul is so pure. Where will I go? Let God fight for me. I am so weak. Let him take away these pains and misery. My enemies are strong, but I put my trust in thee. Oh, I will smile again. I've been through hell and I'm back. Ooh, no place to call my home. 'Cause the world is so toxic and my soul is so pure. where will I go? Let God fight for me.